Ang ESM Manufacturing Integrated is I'm planning to make it into a 3 modes of business wherein we will be developing ceramic materials as well as products, and also to include masterclass in the EMI na na business. Right now po ay ito munang thin coating slip yung namin kasi itong mga local patterns namin ay it's been a long time po, napakatagal na po yan na uh, tinitrain namin sila how to make something like this. Kasi yung mga products po nila ay na mga malalaki na pots. Tapos dati ayaw po nila, resistant po sila dun sa change na ino-introduce namin. But later on, they were already encouraged because when I introduced to them this kind of coating slip at nakita nila yung potential that they can make different yung parang yung sa isang piraso lang, yung isang banga kasi or di kaya yung paso, 1 kilo yon. Samantalang ito, ilang grams lang po yung pwede nilang gamitin. So, tapos, same lang yung price. Kung 50 pesos yung isang paso po, ito they can sell for 100 peso